Oh, you want that one?
No.
Or the one over there?
I want
What toy?
those toys.
Whoa! How did you get way up there?
I want to go up down.
Down? Ready? Here we go.
Jump!
This one's getting back. Huh?
Look at her kicking, Paul.
I know. Dada's going to teach her how to swim too. Now that we got a pool, she can practice a lot. Stella, look.
She got fed up. She's gonna go get her own toys.
There's a bubbly bubble here. Wow. Oh, Stella, can you throw one of those noodles in for Dada? Can you imagine what this is going to be like in the summertime? Oh, yeah. On a Sunday when we're going to barbecue out there, have some music going. I'm going to watch the World Cup this summer.
Is it this year?
It's summer, yeah. So I'm gonna have
You're putting all the toys in? Look at her. Look at
The
her.
water's nice, man. It's warm.
She's got all the toys.
Well, yeah, you gotta have all the toys.
Look at my ticket, ladies.
The ball too? Where'd you get that?
Let's see how well this works out. Oh yeah, this is it right here.
Look, Dada.
Look at this.
That's it, Stella. There's no more.
I like it. This is good right here.
Yeah.
They did a nice job on it.